Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix the Digibank not opening. First, check your internet connection and make sure it is working properly. Then try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data if needed. Next, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the app, swipe it away, completely closing it, wait for a few hours and reopen it. Temporary glitches can prevent the app from launching. Next, restart your phone to refresh the system and clear background issues. Then head over to your App Store or your Play Store and make sure that the app is updated to the latest version from the App Store. Outdated versions may fail to open properly. If the issue continues, long press on the app icon, remove app, then delete the app. After deleting it, go to the App Store, search for the DBS Banking and then download it again from there. This will remove corrupted files. If it still does not open, the issue may be from DBS servers, so wait a few hours and try again later. That's how you fix the DBS Digibank not opening. Do not forget to subscribe for more simple guides.